Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com. In this video, I am going to show you how you can track Ninja form and send the event to Google Analytics. And I will use Google Tag Manager for this setup. So no more talks, let's get started. Ninja Form actually very popular plugin in WordPress, and if your website are integrated with Ninja Form and your contact form is ready and you want to see how many people are visiting your page every day and how many people are contacting with you and where they come from, so and you want to see all the data in your analytics dashboard, this video will be helpful. And let's see how you can configure the settings and how you can send the data in Google Analytics. Let's open the website. So actually this is my demo website, and you can see it's like a marketing consultant site. Okay, and here is the contact us page, and here is a contact form embedded. So this form actually made by Ninja Form, and this is the Google Analytics that we need to send the data when someone completely submit this form and we want to see a event in our analytics dashboard. And this is the Google Tag Manager container, and voice is must you have connected your website. So if your website is not connected yet, then copy this link and paste this code under your website head tag. Then your website will be connected to Google Tag Manager, and after that you are ready to start. Okay, first of all we need to go on the preview. Okay, so when you click on preview mode, we need to input this page, which is contact us page. Just need to send it there and hit connect. After that is open with this new Google Tag Assistant tab, and we just need to fill this form as a test. Okay, and then submit. And after that, here you can see this is the successful message. And if I go back the tag assistant, here you can see Ninja form submission, a new event is here. So that means we are getting the custom event, and we need to make a trigger with this event, and we need to send the event. Okay, we are good to go. Then go to Google Tag Manager tag, and we need a measurement ID from here. Okay, go to admin and then go to data stream, and after that this is our measurement ID. Okay, copy this measurement ID, go back to tag manager, open new tag and select Google Analytics, and here you can see no measurement ID here, so we need to create that. Okay, so if you want you can add a Google tag, but also you can use this measurement ID here. You can see after pasting this measurement ID we have a warning, we need to make Google tag. Okay, just make a Google tag with this simple new tag. So our Google tag is now ready, and now this is the event name that we want to send. So you can manually input it like Ninja form, submit. Okay, and the triggering that we are going to make new, and then custom event, and exact same we have to copy from our preview mode. Okay, yes, here it is, and then save it. Just name, save name. Of course you this name actually the triggering name we have to copy paste, and then event name you can customize your own name. Okay, and Google Analytics for event Ninja form submission. Okay, so we are done. Let's go to preview and check this is working or not. And here go to report and the real-time overview, and then go to the tag assistant and input the field and then submit, and it's successfully. And here you can see we are getting the event and form start is here. Yes, the Ninja form submission is came here. So you will get a lot of data here after how many, like you have to wait to get data, like if your website has a lot of traffic, then you will see a data in short time, so then you can export any report with that. And that's it guys. When you see everything is all right, then you have to hit submit and publish this latest version of Google Tag Manager, then it will start working. And if you are new to this channel, then you can do subscribe. And if you are not showing the event on, if you are not solving your issue, you can contact me. I will give my link on this video description. Also you can visit nasim.cc/meeting, then you are able to make a booking with me, which will be the P2P meeting, and I will help you to figure out your problem. And that's it guys. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.